Hi there, welcome to our Mind Builders Hub. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel, our videos if you like the content. So, for this time, we're going to discuss the different kinds of planets in the universe. We have to identify their characteristics. And if I'm going to limit my question with the different kinds of planets in the solar system and asking you to differentiate the three planets here, Jupiter, Mercury, and Pluto, what are the characteristics that they may distinguish from one another? So in this video, we're going to bit by bit discuss the information regarding their characteristics. So in the different kinds of planets, let's begin with the inner planets. They are called terrestrial planets because they are rocky planets. They have solid surfaces and they have relatively thin atmosphere compared to the rocky ones. In the inner planet in our solar system, it includes the Mercury, the Venus, the Earth, and the Mars. And looking at how they revolve around the Sun, their orbit, they are considered to be closest to the Sun. In terms of sizes, you may compare these four inner planets in the solar system, smaller compared to the Jovian planets or the gas giants. They have few or no moons. Mercury and Venus don't have moons, Earth do have one, and Mars you have two, the Phobos and the Deimos. They don't have rings circling around them, and they spin slowly compared to gas giants. They are made of cold igneous rocks with iron cores and topological features such as valleys, volcanoes, and even craters. So now let's move on to the outer planets. And the outer planets are those planets in the solar system that are located beyond the asteroid belt. They refer as gas giants and ice giants, which are in order of their distance from the sun because they are far from the sun. These ice giants are the type of giant planets with a composition that includes a significant amount of ice, such as water, ammonia, methane, in addition to their gases. So, what are the two planets that are similar? In that case, Jupiter and Neptune contain storms on their surfaces. They are known as the red spot and dark spot, respectively, on the two planets. So, this is for the Jupiter, and this one for, there you go, in this planet. Do the other planets have rings? Yes, all of them do have rings. This is the ring of Jupiter. As you can see, it's very thin, somehow cannot be seen like in the rings of Saturn. It's visible, complex. Even Uranus and Neptune do have rings on their own. What do the other planets have in common? They have many moons. Yes, 80 and 95 natural satellites for Jupiter as of 2023, and 146 natural satellites for Saturn as of June 8, 2023, 27 satellites for Uranus, and 14 natural satellites for Neptune. In terms of size comparison, ice giants are really big. Next in the line are the dwarf planets. The term dwarf planet was adopted in 2006 as part of the three-way categorization of bodies orbiting the sun. Worlds that are too small to be considered full-fledged planets, but too large to fall into smaller planets categories. They are celestial bodies that share some characteristics with planets but do not meet all the criteria to be considered full-fledged. That is what it means. In my examples, I have the Pluto, the Aries, Haumea, Makemake, and Ceres. The older word for them is planetoid because it means having the form of a planet. So, what happens then to that issue? The debate started anew after the New Horizons mission passed by Pluto in 2015, revealing a world of surprising geological complexity. And as of 2017, delegates from the mission are trying to get Pluto's planethood status back. So remember that dwarf planets are objects typically smaller than the major planets and often exist in regions like the Kuiper Belt. Next are the exoplanets. When we say exoplanets, they orbit stars outside our solar system. So they come in various types, similar to planets in our solar system. That is their characteristics. I also have the super Earth because these are exoplanets that are more massive and larger than the Earth, but smaller than the gas giants in our solar system. They can be terrestrial or have a combination of rock and gas in their composition. Another planet are the pulsar planets. And these are exoplanets that orbit pulsars, meaning highly magnetized, rotating neutron stars that emit beams of electromagnetic radiation. And these planets often face extreme conditions due to their proximity to the pulsar. These are some of the various kinds of planets found in our solar system and beyond. And the study of different types of planets helps us better understand the diversity of celestial bodies in the universe and the conditions necessary for planetary formation and potential habitability. Thank you for watching our video today. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.